This is the grammar, and from that grammar we need to see that grammar is LR0 or SLR1 or not. So first, this is the first production, second transition, third transition, fourth transition, and fifth transition. Because this is left factoring, B is also there, B is also there. Left factoring, B is there also, B is there also, that is left factoring. So it is not LL1 grammar. Now we'll make augmented grammar, closure and go to function as we have done in all the cases. So I0 closure, augmented grammar, S dash tends to dot S. Now go to function. So S dash tends to dot S, S tends to dot AA dot BAC dot DC dot BDA and A tends to dot D. So this is I naught, this is I naught. Now because we know augmented grammar, there is no conflict, so we will leave it. We will see only those transition where conflict can be possible, so this we will leave. This is okay. So now we will see for B terminal. So S tends to B dot AC and A tends to dot D because A is here, and this is another B, so S tends to B dot DA. So this is I1. This is I1. So now we will see another one for D transition. We are seeing only for terminals. So for D, so A tends to D dot and S tends to D dot C. So this is I2. And now for A, next A is there, so S tends to B A dot C. There is no conflict in it, so leave it. This is completed. And now for D terminal, A tends to D dot and S tends to B D dot A. This is I3. This is not required because, as I've told, we are going to see only those where conflict can be possible. This is for variables, so there is no conflict. We are seeing about only the variables, sorry, for terminals only. So this is I2 and this is I1. So in I1 there are only shift only, there is no reduce, only shift, so there is no conflict. But at I2 we can see clearly shift is also there and reduce is also there, so there is a conflict. So it is not LR0. But if we find out first of A and first of S, so both are same, both are same, dollar, both are same, so we can say simply first of A intersection first of S is equal to 5. So it is not SLR1 grammar. And from I3 also we can say clearly reduce is also there, shift is also there. So it is not LR0, and first of A and first of S both are same, intersection is equal to 5. So this is not SLR1 grammar. So we can say simply this is not LR0 grammar, and also it is not SLR1 grammar.